Our vision is to help UK manufacturing compete on a global platform. Together we can impact society, retain UK jobs and help overall UK productivity to increase.
This is what the MTC are all about. Working with clients, strengthen our businesses.
We cut to the chase. Without any red tape, we can deliver value to businesses quickly.
Our team offer years of experience. They understand SMEs and the difficult environments and challenges that they face.
We're a very carefully selected bunch of people who take this job personally. Doing things out of the ordinary is not out of the ordinary for us.
We provide a complimentary line walk to visit the SMEs at their premises to find out what challenges they're facing.
Whenever we put together a set of recommendations for a client, it's very much tailored to their requirements, using their challenges, their current systems and the technology that's right for them.
Clear, practical feedback on how we see the opportunities within your business.
We are looking to make sure the business is using the resources that it already has. Then we can talk about introducing technology.
There is up to 50% funding available to support practical advice, process improvement or onboarding the latest technology.
Working with the MTC has been fantastic and it's really challenged our thinking and helped us push our culture and really deliver things for the future.
It's essential for us to sort of drive the technology going forward and look at what other technological processes we can bring into the business to help us improve productivity. And they are things that we don't necessarily have any experience of, and we want to be at the cutting edge of that type of development, not a follower.
We've turned over 30% more orders. We actually haven't employed anybody else. We've just become more efficient at what we do.
Being part of the wider MTC gives us unique access to technologies, process, materials, fresh thinking that you could not access any other way. That's what makes MTC truly unique.
A better way of doing things is what we thrive on, whether that's doing it at a very simple, practical level, or whether it's applying cutting-edge technology. What the MTC brings is the ability to do both.
Ultimately, our aim is to provide practical solutions that deliver real value.
For any manufacturer that wants to improve productivity, is thinking about technology but doesn't know quite where to start, or has got a product they really want to get to market, then the MTC is the place to engage.
Quite simply, we focus on helping Great British manufacturing get even better.